guys, welcome back to our channel. So seeing as there is only a few days left of 2018, I'll be showing you the best makeup products / brands of the year. So to start off with, I store all of my makeup in this Sportsgirl easy to hold container / compartment. So it has one big part with a handle, two smaller ones and a long thin one that is good to store brushes in. So starting off with Sportsgirl. Sportsgirl is a really good Australian company that specialises in makeup and clothes, but they are well known for their makeup. So one face / eye palette that I have from Sportsgirl is called the Sportsgirl Greatest of All Time Face and Eye Palette. Looks like that. And when you open it up, it has a variety of different eyeshadow shades, a mirror to see what you're doing if you're out, a lipstick / lip gloss, and these 4 powders are for face powders, so you can use them as blushes, contours or highlighters. So this one here is very good and handy. Sometimes all you need is just this with the eyeshadows, the 4 face powders and the extras. Another Sportsgirl product is called the Sportsgirl Beauty Rose Scented Face Palette. This one here has 6 different face powders that you could use for eyeshadows, contours, blush or highlighters. The next Sportsgirl product is called the Blend It Silly Silicone Blenders by Sportsgirl, and it is used to blend in your foundation. So I'll take one out so you can see. So you just put a dollop of foundation, and a little bit of foundation goes a long way with these, and then when you're done, once you've blended it in, you just wash it off with warm water and it all comes off, and it's very hygienic. The next product from Sportsgirl is the eyelash curler. So it's in rose gold. As you know, everyone loves rose gold. It also comes with an attachment to apply fake eyelashes, but I don't wear fake eyelashes as I'm still quite young. For the lips for Sportsgirl, I have these 3. So this one here is a more darker shade. This one here is a more nude shade. And this one here is to brighten up any kind of shade that you're wearing and make it more brighter and outstanding. So here are all of my Sportsgirl products. I definitely recommend Sportsgirl for face products with makeup. It's very affordable and the quality of it is really good, and it does last a long time. So moving on from Sportsgirl products, I use the Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation with an SPF of 18. So I just put a little bit of this on the silicone blenders and blend it in. This Fit Me by Maybelline New York is very good. It hydrates your skin and moisturizes it, as well as putting a nice coverage on. And if you are someone with very light and fair skin, I am 115 Ivory. I do definitely recommend this brand, and you can get that from just a local pharmacy. While you make your trip to a local pharmacy, you can also get the Savvy long wearing eyeliner and long wearing lip liner. Lip liner is just in a nude shade, and I have the eyeliner in a blue. This brand is very cheap and affordable, but the quality of it is really good. I would definitely recommend it. So all of these products you can purchase from a local pharmacy. Moving on to Kmart makeup. Kmart is a very cheap store, but the quality of their makeup is really good. So one brand that I got from Kmart is the BYS Contouring Trio. It has a blush, which is called a cheek, the highlighter and the contour. And if you're looking for something that's a 3-in-1 and really easy to travel with, it's really thin, doesn't take up much room. The concealer by e.l.f. I have also bought from Kmart. This one here was only around $8. It's in a small tube, but it does last a long time. Their lip glosses come in this pack of 4. So you have more neutral type of shades, then you have the more outstanding ones. So normally I would pair this one here, put that first and then this one here, because it sort of brightens it up a bit. And the last product from Kmart is the mascara, the Soulflay one from Kmart. This is a really good brand for mascara, and it's not chunky and it leaves your lashes looking really long and beautiful. So this is all my makeup from Kmart, which I do definitely recommend. So just with the lipsticks / lip glosses, MAC is a very good brand for lipsticks, but also for other products like makeup brushes and highlights and contours and foundations. MAC is a little bit more on the high side, but it's still really good. And Revlon you can get from like a local pharmacy. This one here is a little bit more expensive than other ones from like Kmart, but it's still really good quality. I do definitely recommend both of these two, especially if you're looking for a good quality lipstick and long lasting. So as I mentioned before, I store all of my makeup brushes in this thin compartment that goes into the really big compartment. So in here I have a collection of this set of brushes. It's sort of like an ombre blue to pink and then it's sort of purple. These ones here are new, as you can tell I have not used them, but I like to keep my brushes new for as long as I can. Then if I'm in a rush, I'll use them, especially as the pack is open. So these ones here from Sportsgirl, they're really good. Sportsgirl is also good for their brushes. Another set I have is this one here. So I use this as an eyeshadow brush, as like the glittery one. This one here as a foundation brush. This one I use to rub off all the excess powder once I've finished my makeup look. And this one here is like a blush brush. Going back to the Sportsgirl brushes, I've got this Sportsgirl 2-in-1 brush. So on this side is a highlighting and contouring brush. And on the other side, it's a blush brush. So it's always good to have two of one brush, just in case one of them is dirty at the time or if it still needs to be cleaned. So Sportsgirl is also really good for their brushes, as I mentioned before. Going back to Kmart, I got this brush set of two. These are eye ones. So one of them is a more angled brush, and one of them is just like a thinner brush that's not angled and used for more middle parts of your eyes. So yeah, it's rose gold and everyone loves rose gold, so Kmart for their brushes is also really good. These three brushes I also have from another collection. So one of them is a lip one of them is a contouring, and one of them is a eyeshadow one. So these ones are just from another collection. It's also good to have more than one of each brush as well. And this brush here I use just for the more darker shades of eyeshadow for the more centered part of your eyes. So as fun as it is to put makeup on, you also have to take your makeup off. I use this Garnier Skincare Micellar Cleansing Water. It's an all-in-one, so it hydrates and moisturizes your skin as you take your makeup off. It's really good to take off all your eye makeup, especially the mascara, as the mascara does tend to take a while to take off. But I just put some of this on the face pads and just wipe everything off. So yeah, I do definitely recommend the Garnier, and it's very cheap. I bought this from Kmart as well, so yeah. So there you have the best makeup products / brand of 2018. Just before this video ends, I would like to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to our YouTube channel. I would like to wish everyone a really safe and happy 2019 as it fastly approaches. Thank you again. Make sure, if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel, comment down below what videos you would like to see in 2019, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye!